Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
नहीं रहना चाहिए
जो है ना Good morning, ma'am.
बगल में Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Recording in progress.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Let us come to this revision work of chapter 2. Are all of you are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
that you
ma'am.
will answer by your own self because I have given you homework yesterday to revise that lesson. You can add.
Yes, ma'am.
Now get ready, all of you. First question. And all together, don't speak all together. सब लोग एक साथ नहीं बोलना शुरू करिएगा. You wait for your turn to come. Ankur, get ready
Yes,
and try
ma'am.
to come on the screen. Screen पे आइए सब लोग.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
like I told you. सब लोग स्क्रीन पर आकर जवाब देगा. ठीक है? Okay. Let us start. First question. What are the different food habits of animals? On how many categories it is divided and what are they?
Ma'am, herbivorous, omnivorous, and carnivorous.
Define that.
Herbivorous,
And omnivorous. Give the
omnivorous,
definition.
carnivorous.
Ma'am, the animals that only eat plants are known as herbivorous. Examples of them are deer. And then carnivorous, the animals that eat other animals and flesh are called carnivorous, and like lion and tiger. The animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous. Examples of them are human beings and bear.
Yes, very good. Ankur, very good. Now tell me. What are the different modes of nutrition? Who will answer? Just
And the
let
different
me
modes of
first-
nutrition.
No, you will not answer. Let me give chance to Shally. Shally, you please answer and come on the screen.
Ma'am, my video is on.
Pardon?
Ma'am, there are 3 modes of nutrition: saprotrophic, parasitic, and holozoic nutrition.
Yes, very good. Define it. Define all the 3. Saprotrophic को define करिए.
Ma'am, the mode of nutrition in which an organism obtains its required nutrition from dead and decaying plant and matter is known as saprotrophic nutrition. And the mode of nutrition in which organisms, which are known as parasite, obtain food from some other organism in a different group is known as parasitic nutrition. And the mode of nutrition in which organisms like amoeba eat food that may be in solid or liquid state is called holozoic nutrition.
Yes, good. And children, be truthful to yourself. Don't see the book. And if you don't know the answer, you say that I don't know, and then you will be able to learn. Dabhi aap learn kariyega. Don't see the book and answer. Then next is Ridhima. Ridhima Raj. Ridhima, are you present in the class? Okay. Then Aditi. Aditi. They're
Yes,
all
ma'am.
gone.
Yes, ma'am.
Aditi is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on the screen. Screen पे आइए. Yes. Now you tell me, what are the different steps that is followed for nutrition in humans? What are the different steps followed in nutrition in human beings?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
What are the different steps that is taken in human beings in just taking its nutrition or taking its food?
Ingestion,
Different
digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion.
Yes, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Now you, Aditi, you tell me what is ingestion and digestion.
I don't know.
Don't know. So you will keep in mind that you have to learn it. Clear? Who knows it? Raise your hand.
Ma'am,
कौन ये जानता है?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I answer?
Can I Sakshi?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I
Sakshi,
Sakshi?
Sakshi, I'm giving you chance. Come on the screen.
Yes, ma'am. In ingestion, the food enters in the mouth. If we eat the food is called ingestion. The process of breakdown of complex material is known as digestion.
Complex molecule into simple molecule. Not only breaking of complex molecule, but break करके वो क्या बनता है? It just turns into simple molecule. Yes, correct. Then next. Next is Anushka.
Yes, ma'am.
You know the answer of other processes of nutrition in human being?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you tell what is absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Come on the screen.
Once again.
स्क्रीन पे आइए, सब लोग को स्क्रीन पे आना है.
Sorry, ma'am. At present, I can't open my video.
Okay, चलो ठीक है. What's the problem in video? क्या दिक्कत हो रहा है? Okay, चलो ठीक है. Absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Please define. What happened, Anushka?
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am. Network issue is going on.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ठीक है.
can you
बोलिए.
repeat your question?
What is absorption, assimilation, and egestion?
Okay, ma'am. Absorption. The digested food is absorbed by the walls of the small intestine. Is known as absorption. Assimilation. Absorbed food is utilized by the body for growth. Formation of body parts is known as assimilation. The process of elimination of undigested food from the body is known as egestion.
Yes, correct. ठीक है. But please, when you come for your class, please see, check up that all your system is functioning properly. I want that all of you should come on the screen. Now we
Okay,
are
ma'am.
having our revision work. So everyone should be there on the screen. Now next is Ridhima. क्या हुआ था आप? You don't know the answer or what? You have not studied. Ridhima Raj, is there any problem in network?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abhigya.
Ma'am, now
Yes,
you can ask question to me.
Huh?
Ma'am, now you can ask question to me.
Ridhima.
Yes, ma'am.
Ridhima or Abhigya is ready. Who is ready?
Ma'am, Ridhima is ready.
Ma'am,
Okay, then Ridhima, you just come on the screen. Screen पे आइए. Okay, tell me, what are the different parts of the alimentary canal?
question to me.
What are the different parts of the alimentary canal? What
The
happened,
different
Ridhima?
parts of the elementary canal. Ma'am, I am answering.
Ma'am, I think her network is not good.
Then you tell. Abhigya, you tell.
Ma'am,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
different parts of
Ma'am,
the
the part
elementary
of-
canals are.
And the parts of elementary
Also
canals
figures.
are oesophagus or food pipe. Oesophagus or food pipes, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus.
Okay. ठीक है. It's okay. Then Abhigya, you are ready? आपने
Ma'am,
दिया है?
I am answering that question. Ma'am, मैं ही ये question का आंसर दे रही थी.
आपने दिया है, रिद्धिमा ने नहीं दिया. ओके, ठीक
तो
है,
उसका
चलिए
network-
नेक्स्ट. ओके, लेट मी सी हु इज द नेक्स्ट वन.
Ma'am, please ask it to me also. Ma'am, due to network, you should get disconnected.
कौन इंटरेस्टेड है आंसर करने में? अमन वर्मा, आर यू देयर?
Ma'am, I am interested to answer this question, ma'am.
ओके, टेल. कम ऑन द स्क्रीन.
Ma'am, I am in the screen.
ठीक है, बोलो ना तो.
Ma'am, ask question to me.
ओके, रिद्धिमा. ओके, now you tell me what is the function of or you tell me how many types of teeth we have in our lifetime.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Incissory, canine, premolar, molar.
Ma'am, there are 4 types of teeth. Ma'am, incisor, canine, premolar, and molar.
First,
Ma'am,
I'm not
incisors
telling
are
how
flat
many
teeth. They are
sets of
used.
teeth. Question ठीक से सुनो. How many sets of teeth do we have in our lifetime? Set कितना होता है?
Ma'am, 2 sets of teeth. Ma'am,
हाँ.
Ma'am, 2
What
sets
are
of
they?
teeth. First is milk. It is also known. Ma'am, it is also known for the temporary teeth, and second set of teeth is known as permanent teeth.
Yes, milk teeth and permanent teeth. So, the first set of, what is the number of the first set of teeth? What is the number of first set of teeth? If you
Ma'am,
will know, you can answer to me.
Ma'am, can I answer one more, ma'am?
Can I answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I answer?
Okay, Ashish. Ashish, you tell.
Yes, ma'am. 20 teeth.
Or 20 teeth. ठीक है? At what age does this teeth appear? कितने उम्र में ये teeth appear होता है?
Ma'am, can I Vigya?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
repeat
can
the
you
question.
repeat the
Ma'am,
question?
6 months,
Question
ma'am.
Can I answer?
Ma'am, 6 years, ma'am. 6 years.
Can you repeat the question?
Ma'am, can I
Question
repeat?
is Ashish.
Ma'am, 6 or 7 years.
Abhijit, don't tell in between. A question goes to Ashish. So Ashish, you tell me at what age does this milk teeth appear?
Ma'am, the first set of 20 small teeth is milk teeth.
Then at what age does it appear? Is it from our childhood?
Yes,
एकदम
ma'am.
जब हम न्यूली बॉर्न होते हैं तब उस समय से ये टीथ होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am. Ma'am, 6 years, ma'am. 6 years.
5 to 6 years.
Ma'am, 6 years.
Ma'am, 5 to 6 years.
Ma'am, 6 years, ma'am.
Ma'am, 6 months. Ma'am, 6 months. 6 months.
Anjani,
Yes, ma'am.
appropriate answer.
Ma'am, 6 years.
6 years तक तो होता है. स्टार्ट तब होता है निकलना.
Ma'am, 6 1 month, ma'am. Ma'am, 6 7 months.
6 months.
Yes, it is 6 to 7 months. 6 years.
6 or 7 months.
हाँ, 6 or 7 months to 5, 6 years that this milk is there. Then how many teeth are there in
Ma'am, 20,
permanent
ma'am.
set?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Ma'am, 32.
Ma'am, 32.
Anushka, बोलिए.
Can I ask this?
Ma'am, 32. Ma'am, 32.
Yes, it is 32. And does it remain till our lifetime?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अगर
Yes,
किसी का कोई प्रॉब्लम
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
होगा तो it may remain. Olden time days may it may break also, it may fall down also, but if it is okay, then it may remain. Then
Okay, ma'am.
how many types of teeth are there?
Ma'am, 4
Kitne
types of teeth are, ma'am.
Four types of teeth.
Ma'am,
Four
four
types
types
of
of
teeth.
teeth
Ma'am,
are
four
there
types
here.
of teeth there.
Caesar, canine, molar, premolar.
Ma'am, incisor, canine, molar, and premolar. Incisor, canine,
Ma'am,
molar,
incisors,
premolar.
canines, premolars, and molars.
That means Caesar, canine, molars, or premolars.
Now tell me at least 3 function of tongue. Anjani.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
No,
किसका
I'm
ma'am?
asking Anjani. अंजनी को बोलने दीजिए.
Ma'am, incisor का.
नहीं, function of teeth. Tongue, sorry. Function of tongue. 3 function of tongue.
Ma'am, can I?
बोलिए. who
Ma'am,
is
the
this?
tongue is a muscular or organ. Ma'am, it attached to floor of a buccal cavity. It free to move and front.
Ma'am, can I?
Don't read the book. Children, don't read the book. आप अपने मन से बोलो कि क्या क्या समझे हो. What are the function of teeth? I'm asking. I'm not.
Ma'am,
telling you
can
to
I
read
say
the
Sakshi?
book.
Ma'am, can I say Sakshi?
Ma'am, tongue is a taste bud. Ma'am, tongue is a taste bud of food.
हाँ.
Ma'am, can I?
ठीक है.
Ma'am.
Tongue has taste bud और
Ma'am, can I say?
Mixing food and digestion in help.
yes, it helps in mixing the food or
It helps the food and saliva. Saliva.
Can I answer?
Ma'am, it present saliva. Ma'am, it present saliva.
Saliva.
it produce saliva
Ma'am, tongue.
which helps to moisten the food. देखो आप लोग point wise remember करिए. It is a muscular organ which secretes saliva, which helps in moistening the food. It has taste bud which helps in tasting the food. Then it helps in swallowing the food. These all are the points that are the functions of a tongue. Then what is this noise coming? ये आवाज बंद करिए. किसका माइक से आ रहा है? Then tell me what is the juice produced in the stomach?
Gastric juice.
Bile juice. Ma'am, bile juice. Ma'am, bile
It's
juice.
not
Ma'am, bile juice.
Pancreatic juice.
Gastric juice.
Pancreatic juice तो pancreas में होता है. Ma'am, pancreatic.
Ma'am,
gastric juice.
Ma'am, bile
It is
juice.
gastric juice.
Ma'am, bile juice and pancreatic juice.
Bile juice कैसे produce होगा stomach से?
No, ma'am.
वो तो आपका
Bile juice
largest
liver में produce होता है.
Ma'am,
Bile juice liver में produce
gastric juice present in stomach.
प्रीति कुमारी. प्रीति
Gastric
कुमारी.
juice.
Are you there? आप बोलिए what happens to the food in the stomach? Stomach में क्या क्या activity होता है? You tell me that.
Ma'am, please repeat your question.
What happens to the food in the stomach? what all things happen in the stomach?
Ma'am, food is digested in the stomach. Ma'am, with the
How?
help of small intestine, large intestine.
Where are you moving?
Can I say
I'm
Sakshi?
asking what happens in the stomach. Stomach में क्या होता है?
Ma'am, can I
Digestion
say
तो होता है
Sakshi?
with the help of what all different types of enzymes and juices.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can
हाँ,
I say,
बोलिए.
ma'am, Anil Kumar, ma'am?
Can I
Ma'am,
say Sakshi, ma'am? Can I say
ma'am,
Sakshi?
ma'am, stomach
Sakshi
के अंदर
बोलिए.
ma'am gastric juice,
Yes, ma'am.
Anjali, stop.
gastric juice.
Sakshi बोलो.
When the food enters in the stomach provides some juice. Then the food is partially digested.
What is the juice name?
Ma'am, gastric juice.
Yes. हाँ, और बोलो.
Ma'am, gastric juice, ma'am,
Food is
hydrochloride
partially
acid enzyme
digested.
present in the stomach.
When the food enters the stomach by the help of food.
No, nobody is able to answer the complete question. I am telling what happens to the food, what type of digestion and all takes place in the stomach.
Ma'am, it is partially digested. Ma'am, can I
That-
answer?
Ma'am, elementary canal, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I, Ankur Anand?
Try again. Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ, बोलिए.
Ma'am, I really want.
Ma'am, it receives food from the food pipe and passes it into the small intestine.
Then why you are talking about the small intestine in the
Ma'am,
stomach?
can I?
I'm telling about the stomach.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am, gastric juice, ma'am, hydrochloride acid and enzyme present in stomach.
हाँ,
Ma'am, can I, Aradhya?
हाँ, Aradhya, you tell.
Ma'am, protect the inner of the stomach. Hydraulic acid kills bacteria. It also provides the
Ma'am, can I, Ankur Anand?
medium needed by the enzyme in the stomach. The enzyme in the stomach break down proteins to the similar
Saying the
substance
answer is
like
not appropriate. Simon,
Ma'am, can I, Ankur Anand?
okay, Ankur, you tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the stomach, the food is churned into a paste-like substance, and then the food is gets mixed with the gastric juice secreted by the gastric glands of the stomach. Then the muscle. It provides the acidic medium needed for digestion of food by the enzymes in the stomach. The enzymes in the stomach break down proteins to simpler substances like amino acids.
Yes, this is the complete answer. Only Ankur, you will say that the partially churned food which comes from the mouth through the esophagus into the stomach, then the action of the stomach starts and the gastric juice which have mucus, hydrochloric acid and enzymes present in them. In that way you will start the answer. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, always be mentally ready to prepare your answer according to your question. So all the time the straight question does not come in your exam. स्ट्रेट क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट आएगा. सो आप अपने जो समझते हो उसके हिसाब से आंसर करने के लिए रेडी रहिए. All the organs, they are playing a particular role in the digestion of the food. So separately you categorize that what part is being there played by the different organs, and then 2-3 points you all just note down. Then after that, I was asking about the stomach. You all were discussing about the small intestine. Then when I will tell me describe the function of the small intestine, then what will you say? तब आप stomach की बात करेंगे. Because in the intestine, along with this intestine digestion, the different types of glands also pour their juices. ठीक है? Now tell me who will explain the function of this small intestine.
Ma'am,
Bolo.
can I?
Okay,
Ma'am,
Ankur,
the
boliye.
small intestine. Yes, ma'am. The small intestine absorbs nutrients from the digested food and takes them to the cells of the body with the help of the blood. With the help of the blood. It provides nutrition to whole body.
Boliye. And here you will write that different glands also pour their secretion while the food is there in the small intestine. Small intestine में जब food है उसी समय different glands also pour their secretion. So what are those glands? कौन सा gland है?
Ma'am,
Ankur,
liver
what
and
are
pancreas.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
liver and pancreas.
Ma'am, liver and pancreas.
Liver and
liver
pencil.
and pancreas, and the intestine also pours its juice. So liver will
Yes,
pour
sir.
bile juice, pancreas will pour
Pancreatic
pancreatic
juice.
And
Liver
the
and intestine is intestinal
intestine
juice.
will pour intestinal juice. Small intestine will pour its intestinal juice. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ये बोलना है आपको. That will be your complete answer.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Next question. That means you all are not ready on your own side. आप अपने side से ready नहीं हो. Now tell me which part of your nutrient, कौन सा part nutrient का digest होता है by the secretion of this liver bile juice. Which part of your nutrient?
Ma'am,
कौन सा
can I?
part? Carbohydrate,
fat.
protein, fat, कौन सा?
Ma'am, fats.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, fats.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
fats.
The bile
Ma'am,
juice
fat.
digest fat. ये बहुत
Ma'am,
important है. This is the important one for your
Ma'am,
objective
fat
question
digest
also.
food.
Bile juice help with the digestion of fats.
Yes, bile juice digest the fat part of your nutrient. Then what about the pancreatic juice? What does the pancreatic juice do?
Ma'am,
carbohydrate,
Proteins and fats.
vitamins break them into simple forms.
Ma'am, carbohydrates, proteins and fats.
Carbohydrate, proteins, and fat. Then after that, intestinal juice also has the action on these nutrients, carbohydrate, protein, and fat.
Carbohydrate, proteins, and fats.
Carbohydrate, protein, and fats.
Now tell me, when it is when carbohydrate is digested, then what is the change? In what form does it change? Carbohydrate changes into
Ma'am, glucose.
Ma'am, glucose.
Ma'am, glucose.
what does protein in what form does protein get converted?
Energy.
Ma'am,
Energy.
amino acids.
Amino acid.
Ma'am, amino acid.
And in what chemical part it gets the fat gets converted?
Ma'am, glycerol.
Ma'am, glycerol.
Fatty acid and glycerol.
Glycerol.
Fatty acid.
Fatty acid and glycerol. Then what is the function of villi in the present in the small intestine in digestion?
Ma'am, it absorbs the nutrients from the digestion.
Ma'am, it absorbs the nutrition.
Ma'am, can I just ask
Ma'am,
you?
it absorbs, ma'am, digestion food, ma'am.
Surface area for the based on
Ma'am, it
digestion.
absorbs, ma'am, digestion food.
Value increase the effective surface area for absorption of digested food.
Ma'am, villi, ma'am, absorb the digestion food is called villi.
Ma'am, a
What
small
is the
projection in the inner wall of the small intestine of human being. These help in the absorption of the digested food.
Villi increases the surface area and it helps in absorption of the food. ठीक है? If the food is absorbed, after that what will happen? उसके बाद क्या होगा?
Ma'am, the remaining undigested food enters the large intestine.
Ma'am, the absorbed food passes to the blood vessels.
Now after that, absorption means it has got converted into absorption का मतलब क्या होता? The food has got converted into
Blood vessels, ma'am, present in a villi.
not blood vessels, blood. Blood vessels नहीं, blood. ठीक है? अब the residual part is carried to the
Large intestine.
Ma'am, large intestine.
and further it is उसके बाद last point क्या है? Further
Ma'am,
it is
in the large intestine, the water is taken, absorbed from the food.
further it is filtered and the residual matter is ejected from the body through anus. Okay? Now children, I will repeat once again. All of you complete your question answer and the rest part of this chapter. That will be your homework. Tomorrow again we will revise this chapter, same chapter. And all of you should be ready with your answer on the screen. Clear?
Ma'am.
Next, please prefect, just help me out to find out those who have not written their completed. If continuously you check, आप देखते रहिए. 10 students you just pick up. 10 student को pick up करो और कॉपी जो नहीं कंप्लीट कर रहा है you just inform me. You are getting time. अभी आप today is Wednesday. इस वीक में आप अपना कर लीजिए काम. ठीक है? 1 to 10, 1 will check. Or if you have 25 students, so 1 to 25, 1 prefect will do, and 26 to the rest of the roll number, the other prefect will do. Clear? That means you will not get burden and only inform me, then I will contact their parents. तब हम उनके parents से contact करेंगे that your child is not performing their work properly. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
And you yourself,
Okay, ma'am.
prefects will send their copy, complete copy of all the chapter to me. आप लोग पहले हमको दिखा दीजिए और उसके बाद फिर आप लोग इस बार काम को करिएगा. ठीक है?
मैम आज दिखाएं. मैम अभी दिखाएं.
हाँ, आज भी सेंड कर सकते हो. 4 copies if you have completed. 2 from 7E and 2 from 7F.
Ma'am, all are completed.
Those who have prefect and talking, आपकी कॉपी बिल्कुल कंप्लीट होनी चाहिए. Then only you can share it ना. जो नहीं किया है उसको आप दे सकते हो. अगर आप ही का नहीं कंप्लीट होगा तो आप कैसे दोगे दूसरे को हेल्प करो?
Yes, ma'am, Sara completed.
हाँ, okay. Then thank you, children. Today you said.
Thank you, ma'am.
Prefect.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.